Hi
Hi guys! Do you like my eyeglasses? I hope you like it.
Yan guys. Actually, this video is for an event that we attended last May 18, 2025 in Mall of Asia. This event is sponsored by the Autism Society of the Philippines. So you most probably know this. It's for the Angels Walk for Autism. Wala kami masyadong videos of it. And sobrang kulang talaga nung parts ng video. Like, we don't have an intro, we don't have an outro, wala kaming ending. Kasi nga, super nag-enjoy kaming dalawa.
Outro is the same as ending.
Yes. Tapos, we attended this event along with the organization that we're a member of dito sa San Antonio, Makati. And this is our second time to attend the event. So, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. What do you say, amazing? Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Today is
May
18, 2025 at
around 6:45.
around 6:45, and we are on our way to attend the Angels Walk for Autism
In Mall of Asia. Yes.
See you guys later. Hi guys.
We're here.
We're here now. I was interviewed by
SM Care.
SM Cares.
Oo, na-interview ang kuya nyo kasi cute. Well, anyways, see you guys later.
See you guys later.
Cute. Go there, picture video.
Today.
Yeah, we're walking.
I'm walking backwards.
Yeah, you're walking backwards.
Now we're walking forward.
Yeah, we're walking forward.
Now backwards.
What are the 3 words that describes you? You're special, you're good, and
Love you.
I'm a loving person.
You're a loving person. Excuse me.
Ay, bit you.
Selfie sticks, motor lights, and tripods. Flashlight. Illegal or unauthorized recording. Live transmission through social.
Sabi ko sa inyo guys, kulang na kulang ng laman ng video namin. So I hope guys you enjoyed watching our mini video regarding Angels Walk for Autism.
You know what he's saying?
What?
Konti lang yung video. So, we call it mini video.
Okay. Well, again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and click the bell button. And if there's ads, do not skip it because we will get money.
Okay, guys. Bye!
Bye! Thank you for watching.